In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to get any avatar in Vrchat Quest 2. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Usually, to get an avatar in VRChat, regardless of which VR headset you use, what you have to do is log into VRChat and then either use your VRChat account or the one tied to your Quest. You select your starting avatar and complete the initial setup process. Afterwards, you can approach any avatar and get it. However, if you are using the Quest 2, you need to look at the top right corner of the avatar to see if you have a blue and green PC/Quest avatar selected, because some avatars won't work with your Quest. Is there a way to get an avatar to work regardless of your VR headset? Sadly, if an avatar does not have the lit up green Quest icon at the top right corner, it indicates that it's impossible to use with your VR headset and you cannot use it with your Quest 2. Players that have incompatible avatars with the VR headset will be displayed as a little blank robot, and there is nothing you can do about it. If an avatar is not available to Quest, it is impossible to use on the Quest 1 or Quest 2, and you are limited to avatars which are compatible with your Quest. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no workaround to incompatible avatars in Quest 2. If this video helped you clear up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.